go.
You quit.
You want love it. You want love. Pushy stuff. Ow, what you do?
You missed it.
Ow, the cat pulled my hair and ate my beard out.
No, I fell up the stairs with that plate.
Yeah, I heard you. You hear me from in the bathroom?
Thank you.
I hollered. Oh, you're welcome. I hollered. I remember that.
What? You just give me love it.
Oh, he's, gosh, make him quit. He's
Daisy does the same thing.
bites.
I love
I mean,
them
It's
pants.
not like a suck bite. It's weird, but it's not biting.
It's a he.
He.
what?
He's like, you quit petting me.
What?
They're fighting you.
That's what
Thank
Daisy
you,
does.
mother and father.
Maybe it's your cologne.
I don't know.
He's just like, oh, it's dead. What time's it?
What are you doing?
Can I have
That
a
cat's trying to eat your face, man.
I'm just so sweet.
402. Okay.
402.
Daddy, come open your presents, little man.
Ah, okay.
Oh, God.